Yon guys, welcome to 12 Bikes. Check this out. Guys, this is Cannondale Habit 1. Size medium. Ganda, no? Hardtail, trail, all mountain, enduro pwede mong gamitin. Yan. Ganda. With dropper post. Yan. Tapos, drivetrain niya 1x12 na Diore. Siyempre, yung laging tinatanong ng mga kliyente natin kung naka-hydraulic brakes, yes. MT400 hydraulic brakes. Tapos, RockShox Silo. So, Maxi Stars. So, Minion DHF by 29 by 2.5 and DHR 29 by 2.4. So 3C, Max Grip, Maxterra, XOTR. Very nice. So yung mga components niya na cockpit is Cannondale. Maliban dito sa grips, fabric to. Ganda, di ba? So yun lang, guys. Kung interesado ka dito, meron tayong small, medium, and large nito. And meron din tayong Habit 1, 2, and 3. No, nakapost yan, guys. Kung gusto nyo makita yung ibang components ng Habit 2 and Habit 3, nakapost yan sa ating social medias channels. FB, IG, TikTok. Yan. Yun, guys. Thank you.